Meaning of the English idiom in the first place. In the first place means from the very beginning of a situation, at the outset, before anything else takes place. When used in this sense, the idiom is usually placed at the end of a sentence about why something was done or whether it should have been done. Why did you want to learn English in the first place? Also, in the first place can refer to the first of several items or reasons in order of importance. When used this way, in the first place is often followed by the second place, the third place, etc. Why learn idioms? Well, in the first place, they are an integral part of the language, and in the second place, if you don't learn them, you won't understand half of what people are saying. The idiom "for one" can be used the same way. Why learn idioms? Well, for one, they are an integral part of the language. Examples of use. I wish you had told me you were unhappy with the house in the first place. We didn't have to buy it. I feel like I never should have left home in the first place. If she gets on your nerves so much, then why are you friends with her in the first place? Why can't I buy a new video game? In the first place, you already have dozens, and in the second place, you just bought a new one a few days ago. I like working out at home better than in the gym. In the first place, it's free, and I can exercise anytime I want without driving anywhere. Origin of idiom. In the first place has been used as an idiom since the first half of the 1600s. Although I am not sure, I think the second sense of the idiom, introducing the most important in a set of items or reasons, derived first.